Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Pinnacle development in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now this is a massive development, luxury development. But something that I found very strange with this development is they do not allow Airbnb rentals. Now that's very strange because Airbnb is a very popular service in Jamaica, especially for tourism. So, guys, what do you think about the Pinnacle not allowing Airbnb rentals? And they're not allowing rentals less than a year. So if you want to rent a unit, you have to sign up for at least a year. Now, the Pinnacle is a massive development. It's 423 units, and those are going to include apartments and villas. They'll have 15 villas. So it's going to also include 4 28-story buildings. 4 28-story buildings. And those 4 buildings will be the tallest in Jamaica. So currently, the tallest building in Jamaica is the Rogers, also an apartment building at 20 floors or 20 stories. The Pinnacle, 28 stories, and it's 4 buildings. So with so many units, I find it very strange that they don't want Airbnb rentals. And they're making it known up front in the Homeowners Association agreement, you cannot rent it short term. So people know beforehand. Now, guys, what do you think about this? And I'm wondering if this is going to impact the sales of the units, because if they had allowed Airbnb rentals, I'm sure the units probably would have been sold out already. I'm not sure what the sales are like. I mean, this is a luxury development in its own. It's going to have a lot of amenities, so we'll see. Alright, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the Airbnb aspect of this development. The Pinnacle, a US $350 million residential resort project being developed in Montego Bay, Jamaica, has made it clear that property owners will not be permitted to rent their units through short-term platforms like Airbnb. This luxury branded residence will be managed by a hotel partner and is scheduled to begin phased handovers in early 2026. The project includes 423 residences in 4 28-story apartment buildings along with 15 exclusive villas. According to LCH Developments, the decision to prohibit Airbnb-type rentals is built into the homeowners' agreements. The company emphasized that short-term rentals bring challenges that can easily be controlled, and maintaining the integrity of the property. The developers stated that short-term rentals bring challenges that can't easily be controlled, and maintaining the integrity of the property and the experience for all owners is a priority. Violations of these rules will be met with strict consequences to protect the investments and ensure a secure environment for all residents. Additionally, access to the units will be controlled through a concierge and elevator system, further reinforcing the restrictions against unauthorized rentals. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.